go into my private code that you guys all know, so... Whoa. So... I'm gonna go to lake because it says Winter Lake BRB. Why is everything so dark? I'm going to lake. I need weapons. I don't even know what's going on. Whoa. Nothing. I'm going inside. I don't want to press that button. I don't want to press it. But I'm gonna press it to go to space. Oh, I said I've got to do it over here. I'm scared. I don't like this. Oh, so space is just like the new thing? I wonder if we can get here through mines. Probably not. Can I ride this outside? Oh. And I fell. Okay, I want to go back. Okay, let's drive around. Vehicle? What's this? Repair wrench? Why would you need a repair wrench? Sure, I'll wait, what else? Okay. Guess I'll start with this space bike. And then I just got to I can put on. So I'm gonna see oh, okay. Okay. Okay, well, like... Oh. How do I even move? How do I go up? Oh, I'm gonna go on the... Actually, I'm gonna check this out first. Uh-oh. How do you go up? Okay. No. Okay, that button does nothing. No. Yes. Yes. Ooh, Oh, never mind. Uh-oh. Oh, portal. Oh. Exit. There. Oh shoot, I'm getting sucked in. Oh no. No. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna have to drive into it. I'm scared. That's scary. Oh. What is this place? Okay, I'm guessing there's gonna be new materials. Let's buy something better. I'm trying to get something with more speed. Actually, I'll just do this. Give me. No. Oh. No. Oh, okay, I know how to go up now. I'm gonna go to the thing that says exit. Where I can go back to the planet. It would be cool if I can actually go back. So this is actually what the planet looks like. Okay. Oh, well, maybe you can't go. Oh, I guess we can go to the exit door. Maybe that will get me out of here. Because I don't like this place. Wait, what's up there? Oh. What is it? I think I gotta follow that pink thing. What do I do? Oh! Oh my god, there's a UFO attacking me. I'm going inside the sun. Okay, never mind. Ooh, I'm going over. I'm gonna go to the exit door. So random things are being sent here. No. Okay. I left. I have no clue what this update is. But it has something to do with all of this. So, let's go back to space. Whee! Oh, there's my car that what's the repair wrench? Laser. What? Okay, so I can fight now? I'm gonna go to that broken ship over there. Those look like mines. Oh, shoot. Oh, I found gold. Do I break it? Do I like run into it? I think I might need to get a pickaxe. Wait. You know what? Stay there. I'm gonna go check this place out. Never mind. Can I like punch it? No. Oh God. Okay. Hi, Mr. Bomb. I'm going back over here because I need a pickaxe. What? Okay, hold on. Oopsies. We're going to need a repair wrench for that. Okay, I think I'm gonna add something different to this. And I've got an idea. So I'm gonna buy a new one. Now I'm going to add this. And I've got to hit it with a hammer. I don't know how this works, but okay, now let's go back to where I was. kind of forgot where it was. These are like gas. Okay, I think this was it. No. What? Okay. No, no, no. Oh, you can break asteroid. So I think we're just supposed to mine asteroids. We're just... No! Okay. I don't know how to do this update, so I'm just mining asteroids, and I hope that it will transfer onto my ship. Because from what I can understand, I think you're just this is a game about like mining asteroids and putting it onto your ship. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to go backwards. How do you swim in space? Or how do you move up? I need like a jetpack. I'll fall down eventually, right? I'm gonna go back to my car. Okay, let's go bring this back. Okay, so I'll just put this right here. No. Maybe I gotta bring all of my stuff to these weird things. Nope, get away. I have no clue how to play this map. So, do I just... I think I know what to do. Yeah, I know exactly what to do. Get over here. Oh, no, this is the wrong one. Get over here. Okay, how do I... Oh, I think I got 2. Dang, this is strong. Thank you. Okay, I think it might. I think it will. Actually, I think I've got to go in backwards. Okay. Okay, I guess I've got to do it from the front. Okay, good enough. I mean, it's in there. Nope. Yeah, I think that's going to be the end of the video. If you guys know anything about how to do this update, please tell me. So, if I ever see any of my fans in a lobby, I will give them something in my stash. My stash got time bombs, fish. So yeah, if I ever catch you guys in the lobby, if you ever want to join me in a lobby in the Animal Company, then we can play some games together. Yeah. So, goodbye.